Hi friend, good morning. Today is the third day to UAE. You have seen my previous video where I have explained all the process when I started. I have started travel from Bombay to Dubai, and Dubai airport I have done the test. And yesterday evening around 6 o'clock I got the SMS that my COVID result is negative. So that means I am COVID free. So now I am traveling to Dubai to Abu Dhabi, and throughout my journey I will brief you what are the process I am following. There is a checkpoints, and in the checkpoint there will be they are going to check. I have downloaded the Al Hosn apps and all the information is showing there. Even the previously when I have done the COVID last time, that report also is showing. So I hope my journey will be smooth, and so let us see that what is happening. So this video, if you watch the complete video, you will be able to have an idea if you are planning to travel from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, and from India to Dubai and Dubai to Abu Dhabi, what are the process. These all details I am going to show throughout the video, and also you are going to get the various sightseeings while I am passing through the road. So all will capture. So let us enjoy this video, and it will be informative also along with the sightseeing. Okay, so thank you. Let's follow me.
ये आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने अभी ये टैक्सी बुलाया और ये है यूनियन टैक्सी. आई थिंक आई एम एबल टू कैप्चर इट. ओके, तो मैंने ड्राइवर से पूछा है जो आपके पास टेस्ट सर्टिफिकेट सब कुछ है, तो उन्होंने बताया जो हाँ सब कुछ उनके पास है. तो अभी मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ अबू धाबी के लिए, और आपको बताऊंगा जो क्या क्या इसमें थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस में क्या क्या होता है. ये सारी चीज़ मैं रिकॉर्ड करूंगा और आपको अपडेट करूंगा. ठीक है, तो थैंक यू. सो यू कैन सी माई होटल. दिस इज़ द होटल बिहाइंड मी, एंड नाउ आई एम फॉर द कार. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. ओके, सो ये है गेस्ट हाउस. आई एम ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर इट, एंड आई होप यू कैन सी. ओके, सो यहाँ से मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, और जाके मैं ये टैक्सी में अभी बैठ रहा हूँ, और उसके बाद आगे का प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, सो ओके, सी यू. अभी मैं टैक्सी में बैठा हूँ. आई जस्ट सीट इनसाइड द टैक्सी, एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी. You can see, and the vehicle is it was told me that it is already sanitized, and you can see the driver, he is also there. There is some guideline also given. This is Union Taxi. So hope the journey will be perfect, and throughout the journey also I will try to capture some of the sightseeings and other process what is going on. So all the informations you are going to get it. So let's watch the video, so it will give you the full idea. Okay, so now you can see the roads are very beautiful, and weather is nice. Temperature is little high. You can see now the metro train. You can see the metro train left sides. Okay, this is the metro trains are going, and it's going from Dubai to Jebel Ali, up to that only. So you can see, if I am able to show you some metro station. So very nice weather, beautiful. On the way to Dubai. Roads are okay. You can see now this is the metro station. See, beautiful. This is the metro station left side. Okay, this is the metro stations. This is the stadium, Dubai Stadium, where the IPL match is going on. You can see behind that white. Here the place where IPL is going on now.
And this one you can see the global village. Okay.
दुबई और आप देख सकते हैं अभी ओपन है ना बंद है? बंद है ना? अच्छा, ओपन है लेकिन नॉट फुल फ्लैज ओपन है. इट्स partially open. You can see the global village.
Greenery, roadside greenery. You can see towards Abu Dhabi from Dubai. Weather is very nice. Artificial, these all are, you know, that planted. Governments are spending a lot of money for this. You can see the roadsides. Now I'm almost reaching to the Abu Dhabi, very close to Abu Dhabi, and now you can see I have reached in the city. I'm going towards my hotel, and this is the Abu Dhabi city. You can have a look on that. Greenery, nice, beautiful, well clean, maintained. I'm going towards my hotel. I reached the hotel, and you can see the securities are there. They all came with me to lock me inside the room. This is the procedures, and they had advised me, and security is witnessing that they have advised the quarantine procedures, and they have not given me any room key, so I have to be inside the room, and that we have to maintain, and security advised me I have to follow as per government rule.
My friend, you can see the quarantine procedure here. I believe I can show you this. This is the one they have put in my gate. This is one Go Safe. This has been certified and to apply anti-COVID measures. And there is a one sticker. You can see here. This is the sticker they put on the hut. So no one can come inside the room, and I also should not go out. And also the room has been given near closer to the CCTV, you can see. So if I'm going out or coming, so maybe health department come and check something like this, they say. So anyhow, this is the procedure. So I just capture it to give you some sort of idea that how the Abu Dhabi, they are following the COVID guidelines, and instruction has been given how to follow this all. Okay.
Hi friend, once again welcome to Turnaround Academy program. And just now I reached to Abu Dhabi, and I am in the hotel, and this is the inside the hotel. The procedure I followed, they have given me the guidelines that I should not violate that. 14 days quarantine guideline has been given by the government of UAE, Abu Dhabi. Government of Abu Dhabi has given the 14 days quarantine guideline. 2 days I have spent there in Dubai, so remaining days I have to maintain here. That is the procedure, and they have given some forms I have filled up, and all the informations are there. Once you have done the check-in, so the detailed information has gone to the concerned authority. Okay, so and they will watch, and they say the guideline and instruction what has been given, it is very clearly mentioned that I will be monitored with the CCTV, and the health department people can visit anytime, and they can check me, and if there is any violation happen from my side, then they can take the legal action, as well as there is a fine, huge fine, 50,000 dirhams fines are there. so that will be imposed on me. So that declaration I have signed, and now I have to follow the procedure. So everyone who is planning to visit to UAE, and if you are coming to Abu Dhabi, so you have to follow the Abu Dhabi rules. Keep in mind, Dubai rule is different, Abu Dhabi rule is different. So both rules are different, so you need to follow that particular Emirates rule. If you are coming to Abu Dhabi, so you have to follow the Abu Dhabi's rule. So this is the procedure they have given. So fine. So I need to take a rest now because I have done the long journey, more than 3 hours I think I have done the journey. In between they have checked me in the border, and in the border they check me my apps, and in the apps it is showing I am COVID negative, so they don't need to do the further test in the border. So they said you can proceed, and they have checked my Emirates IDs, and then they don't put any band or anything there. So they have given me the clearance, you can proceed. But when I came here in Abu Dhabi, so the rule is applicable if once I am checking to the hotel, so hotel has given the guidelines, so you cannot avoid. So hotels, if you are staying, you have to follow this 14 days quarantine guideline, and then only you will be allowed to go. So that is the procedure they have given, and let us see that how the days are going on. I have absolutely fine, there is no issue, but still the government has given the guidelines and we need to follow that because of this scenario, and a lot of cases has happened. So let us see how things are going on. Okay, so keep watch to follow